Welcome to Little Bubble Art Attack. Little Bubble Art Attack. We're gonna make caterpillars out of these
Egg cartons.
egg cartons.
DIY kids mobile holder.
Okay. So what's the first step?
Cut it. One press, which means we need 2 caterpillars together.
So we are going to cut with 2 rows in between here. So let's cut this and make one set, and one single caterpillar. Okay?
Now cut through and look.
Yeah, so it's ready to paint. This is one set that Simran's gonna paint. This will be the head of the caterpillar and this is the tail. Just make sure the edges are cleaned up after cutting. So with one carton we got 2 pair caterpillars and 1 individual caterpillar. So this can be our, right? Are you ready to paint?
Yeah.
Which one you want to paint? Single or double?
Hi guys, I joined in. Ooh.
Do fully. You see me?
How's yours going, Gudia?
Good. Look. I made light green with mixing yellow and green together to make it just dark.
Oh, nice.
And using the thing. I like to same, but it's not same.
Now guys, let me take the pink. Guys, it looks like ice cream. An ice cream mountain.
It looks like volcanoes falling off.
Yeah. It looks like that. Look at that. That one's just bursting up. Whoa. Look at that.
Is it a gold mine?
Can you give
Oh,
me
it must be.
golden?
And it burst.
Is that the giant's golden egg?
Yeah.
Hey, look at this water. It's so shiny and shimmery.
Can I see?
Look.
Amazing.
Guys, we're done and we need to let it dry now.
For how many hours?
We're leaving it for 24 hours.
Until it dries fully.
Until it dries fully.
Okay.
Right.
Nice work. Is this yours?
This one's mine.
With blue and goes with dual colors is Devansh, and the one which is mixed up colors is Gudia's, and this single lonely caterpillar is
Yeah, yours. You're a recorder.
okay.
Guys, it's afternoon now and we left it overnight. And guys, it's dried up.
How does it look?
And guys, if you want, you can color on the inside.
Yeah. This is Simran's and this is Divan's caterpillar. So did you decide whether you're going to have twinsy caterpillars or
No, not twinsies.
or 3D?
Like this.
It's a 3D?
The caterpillar goes like this. Still here and then it curves down. Still.
Oh.
It's going straight to you. It came this way, but then it came straight to you.
Nice. And yours, Guria, is it twinsy?
Yeah. There's two twinsies here and
They are going together.
that's
Let's go. This way.
they came together.
Okay.
They're growling.
And this is what I had colored. So what is the next step right now?
The next step is to draw the eyes, get googly eyes, and get some pipe cleaners like these.
To make these kind of antennas.
Make these kind of antennas.
So it's a simple technique. First thing is just poke holes into whichever head you decide to put on. And then take any pipe cleaner of length you desire for your caterpillar. And don't cut it in between. I would suggest you rather poke it inward like that. Wanna try? So it will go through both the holes here and it will come out popping like this. First make holes here using any sharp knife or scissors and then put this downward. Give two to her, she wants to make it. Put this from inside. Turn it around. You can see two holes, can you? Just put it through. You also do that.
You just want
Good job. Now secure it and turn your antennas little curved like this once you get it. Make it equal and then curve it a little bit. Just like this.
Let's fix the eyes.
Here are some googly eyes and we are using tacky glue on the googly eyes.
eyes already.
Oh, look at that! Have you named your caterpillars?
Yeah.
What
Not
is this
yet.
guy?
This guy is Mimi.
This is the
Yeah.
twinsies,
Yeah. They're called Emma and Kate.
Emma and Kate. Okay, you want to put smiley?
Yes.
Okay. Let's take a marker. Can you show how you can place the mobile?
When you have your teacher calling you, the caterpillar
Make it stand like that.
and then you could talk to someone.
Yeah, you can talk to your teacher. The other way to do it is turn it around like that.
They're too happy. They're too happy with it. Linda, DIY craft. Mobile window stand. Need some egg cartons. Caterpillar holder. Caterpillar mobile holder.
Just like these. Are these hungry for mobiles?
Yeah.
So they're the hungry caterpillar. What are you hungry for?
I'm hungry for cheese.
Oh, not videos?
Yes. I'm hungry.
What is your brother hungry for?
Nothing?
Roblox?
Yes.
He's a Roblox. He's a Roblox caterpillar.
Yeah.
And you are a
New blocks caterpillar.
no blocks. Okay.
Kids, remember
with our tiny caterpillars.
The tiny caterpillars. Hey guys, remember to wash your hands.
Say bye.
Bye.
You can also play with it. We're doing a caterpillar race. 3, 2, 1.
Push! Oh! And mine didn't move at all. You have a twinsy caterpillar.
Yes, I love twinsy caterpillars. That they are work up.
Say it's a Earth's project.
The Earth project.
Best from waste.
Best from waste.
Thanks for watching Art Attack. Please subscribe.